Here's a mistake many hearing aid users don't realize they're making. They keep the same ear tip for far too long. Ear tips are made from soft materials that gradually wear out through daily use. Over time, they can become stiff, lose their shape, or collect oils and debris that affect sound quality. A worn ear tip may reduce comfort, weaken the seal, increase feedback, and even make speech less clear. Replacing them regularly helps your hearing aid continue performing the way it was designed. Sometimes, restoring better hearing isn't about buying a new hearing aid. It's simply about replacing one small component at the right time. At Zenaud, we help keep your hearing aids performing at their best with professional care and maintenance. Book your hearing assessment or service appointment today.